Anyone who has operated a fully loaded pallet truck knows the most strenuous part is starting the wheels rolling. This pallet truck solves this back-breaking problem. Pumping the handle of the pallet truck serves two purposes. First, it serves the traditional purpose of lifting the forks. Secondly, the travel direction is selected. By squeezing the hand grip and pumping the handle, the truck will move in a reverse direction. When the hand grip is in the downward position, raising the handle will propel the truck to move in a forward direction of the forks, thus reducing the pushing-pulling force. Ergonomic Power Assist Pallet Truck, Model PM-2748-PA-Y.